Johanna.
Hey guys, welcome back to another super quick journaling page idea. This is the second last part of this series, which is when we're doing a journal page in 15 minutes or less with very, very simple guidelines for each page. The guidelines for today's page is to do pen only or pencil only. Basically, take a pen or pencil or something that you use to write and use that to create a page. And don't do anything else except use that pen. So this really takes us back to the root of journaling, which is writing. So you can write a whole page, you can draw, you can do something really intricate with a pen. All I've done is sort of divide the page up and written in different orientations. So I've written horizontally, I've written vertically, but obviously you can do whatever you like using just a pen. And the idea of this page is just to take us back to our roots, do something so simple to remind us that we don't need all that fancy stuff to do a page that is special, meaningful, that is beneficial to us. You can do a journal page and you can keep a journal with just a pen. So I know, super quick video today, you guys, but get your pen out, find 15 minutes, sit down and do some journaling, and I'll catch you back here tomorrow for the last part of this series.